Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a banana milkshake. First, gather your fresh ingredients like ripe bananas and cold milk. Next, combine them in a blender with a few other simple items. Then, blend until you achieve a smooth and creamy consistency. Finally, pour and enjoy your refreshing homemade treat right away for the best flavor and texture. To create your perfect banana milkshake, you'll need just a few key ingredients. Start with 2 ripe bananas, as these provide the best natural sweetness and flavor. Then, add 1 cup of cold milk, which forms the base of your shake. For creaminess and a delightful taste, include 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream. Finally, sweeten it to your preference with 1 tablespoon of honey or sugar. Making your banana milkshake is incredibly easy. Begin by peeling and slicing your 2 ripe bananas into smaller pieces. This helps them blend more smoothly. Next, carefully place all your ingredients, the sliced bananas, 1 cup of milk, 2 scoops of ice cream, and 1 tablespoon of sweetener, into your blender. Secure the lid and blend on high speed until the mixture is completely smooth and thick. Finally, taste and adjust for your perfect consistency. Once your banana milkshake is perfectly blended, it's time to serve and enjoy. Pour your delicious creation into a tall glass. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with a fresh banana slice or a dollop of whipped cream. Remember, this shake is best enjoyed immediately while it's cold and creamy. If you prefer a thicker consistency, simply add 1 or 2 more scoops of vanilla ice cream before blending again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.